There are several effective methods to uninstall apps from your EETV box. Each method works best in different situations, so understanding all your options will help you manage your device more efficiently. The first and most comprehensive method is through your TV box settings. Navigate to Settings, then select Apps to see all installed applications on your device. Select the app you want to remove, then choose Uninstall and confirm your selection. This method works best for apps you downloaded from the Google Play Store. The second method is directly from your home screen. Simply highlight the app you want to remove, then press and hold the OK or Select button on your remote control. A context menu will appear with options including Remove or Uninstall. Select your preferred option and confirm to complete the removal process. The third method uses the Google Play Store directly. Open the Play Store app, navigate to My Apps and Games, then find the Installed section where you can manage all your downloaded applications. In the Installed section, you can see all your apps with Uninstall buttons next to each one. Simply tap Uninstall next to any app you want to remove from your EETV box. It's important to understand that not all apps can be completely uninstalled. System apps that come pre-installed with your EETV box have different removal options than apps you download yourself. For system apps like BBC iPlayer, ITV Hub, and Netflix, you'll only see a Disable option instead of Uninstall. Disabling these apps prevents them from running and reduces their impact on system resources, which still helps improve performance and free up memory. Now you know all three methods for managing apps on your EETV box. Use the Settings method for comprehensive app management, the Home Screen method for quick removal, or the Google Play Store method when you want to manage multiple apps at once. Remember that system apps can only be disabled, not completely uninstalled. When you can't uninstall an app or are still experiencing storage issues, clearing the app's cache and data can help free up valuable space on your EETV box. The process is straightforward. First, navigate to Settings, then Apps, and select the problematic app. Let me show you exactly how this looks on the interface. Once you're in the app's storage settings, you'll see options to clear cache and clear storage. Here's what the storage management screen looks like for a typical app. For ongoing storage management, it's important to monitor your storage regularly. Check your storage usage monthly through the Settings menu to stay ahead of any issues. EE is continuously working on improvements to make storage management easier. Future updates will include better storage management tools and cloud-based app streaming to reduce the burden on your device's local storage. Remember, regular maintenance of your EETV box storage will ensure optimal performance. Clear cache weekly for streaming apps, monitor storage monthly, and only use factory reset when absolutely necessary.